More than a year ago, a new era started. A new way of investing arrived. And unicorn hunters came to change the way people invest.
Can investors make money on them?
A new way to fund innovative ideas opened the world to greater opportunities.
To predict health outcomes and save lives.
Bringing billion-dollar ideas to life.
It's so crazy, it might just work.
By now, we have generated over $280 million in investment applications and featured 14 companies from 8 countries.
Now we have people reaching out from Dubai and China and all these amazing places.
Sounds like you've got all the business running, you're already operational.
We are able to engage with potential investors globally.
I think this company could be a real knockout.
We're making headlines around the globe.
Hablamos de Unicorn Hunters.
Unicorn hunters.
In the Washington Post, Forbes, CNN Business, The New Herald, Univision, and more. Expanding our innovative mission, along with Microsoft and Google as global partners through mentorships, training, and tools for the companies in our portfolio.
Thank you for having me first. This is such an honor, and I'm excited to have Lisa join us as well.
We're proud that our show is featured on in-flight entertainment, including WestJet, TAP Portugal, and Etihad Airways, with a combined reach potential of 45 million passengers. To accelerate our growth and continue to disrupt the market, we launched Unicoin, the next generation cryptocurrency.
We're going to create currency which is much more stable than currencies which are backed by no assets.
Unicoin is changing the crypto market.
It's the cryptocurrency of the future.
Addressing the volatility of traditional coins.
1, it's registered with the SEC. 2, it's backed by emerging growth companies.
And making crypto investments accessible to all.
This is the cryptocurrency for everyone.
To become the #1 cryptocurrency, the Unicoin brand took the country by storm at airports, landmarks, and transportation hubs from LA to New York City, and took over buses from Rodeo Drive to the Hamptons. We showcased our brand at technology events worldwide, reaching thousands of potential investors. More people than ever are joining our mission to democratize the investment world. NFL Hall of Famers, F1 legends,
Juan Pablo Montoya,
and even the 43rd Treasurer of the United States, Rosie Rios.
It's the future. So it's something that I choose to believe in and invest in.
All back Unicoin. They all agree that blockchain technology is the future of investment, and we're proud to lead its charge. Join the wealth-building revolution that started with unicorn hunters and continues with Unicoin. Welcome to the Unicoin age.